Hi, I'm Chanda Burke. I'm the director of the Agricultural Trade Office at the U.S. Embassy here in Tokyo, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to cook this beautiful piece of American beef. American beef is raised in a vast natural environment and fed primarily on grain feed like corn. That's what makes the flavor so tasty, tender, and delicious. Great, so today I'm going to show you two different ways to prepare this American steak. The first, I like to just use simple salt and pepper, and then the second is my grandmother Vic's special holiday seasoning. She used to bottle this every year and give it out to all of her friends and neighbors. You can even freeze these for later use. It's very handy if you're busy. Here, take a look inside my freezer at all of the food I've pre-prepared. Of course, you can also just cook it fresh. The key to making a tender steak is to use the sous vide machine, and then you simply need to sear the meat on both sides. Because U.S. beef has such a depth of flavor, it only requires a very simple seasoning.